Lauretta Onochie's nomination has received wide condemnation from the public over her alleged partisanship and membership of the governing All Progressives Congress, thereby leading to tons of petitions against her to the National Assembly. But at this screening before the Senate Committee on INEC, Onochie categorically denied any membership of the APC and debunked any partisanship despite petitions against her before the committee.
Are you a member of any political party as present?
I am not. Since 2019, when President Muhammadu Buhari won his second term, I have removed myself from anything political, not even anticipating that I will be here today defending my nomination to INEC. It was never I never envisaged it, but here I am.
But some senators will take none of that, as they insisted that Onochie must be put on oath before the public can believe her. This led to huge disagreements among the lawmakers.
My only request, sir, will be that Madam Onochie be placed on oath to repeat what she said as to whether or not she's a member of a political party. He will only put somebody on oath in a committee if we were having if there was an investigation. We are not investigating. This is not an investigative hearing.
She knows the meaning of taking an oath. It's just to confirm for the committee that we can take to bank what she said, that she is not a member of a political party. We are not in any way trying her.
There's no provision whatsoever in our rule that asks you to put a nominee to go on oath. That's totally unacceptable. It's not even in our rules. I mean, that makes us rather primitive.
The committee later resolved that she should not take the oath. Some senators were taken aback, especially after a court affidavit surfaced where Onochie categorically wrote a court stating that she is a member of the ruling APC.
When APC decided to do a proper registration of their members and to revalidate their membership, I did not take part in that exercise. So as I'm sitting down here, I am not a member of any political party in this country.
Despite the observations by senators, Onochie insisted that she stopped being a member of the ruling All Progressives Congress immediately after the 2019 elections. The committee then adjourned hearing to compile its report and present it to the Senate at plenary some other time. Onochie's nomination had sparked an outrage from the opposition and civil society groups, with PDP leaders staging a peaceful protest at the National Assembly complex to demand her rejection as INEC National Commissioner nominee.